How to fix application hang detected in Fortnite. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to fix this error. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is simply open up your Epic Games Launcher, open your start menu and search for Epic Games Launcher. And once you open up your Epic Games, all you have to do is head over to your library on the left side of your screen and then find Fortnite there. You click on the three dots on Fortnite and then you'll see an option to manage. Click on manage. Now this will pop up on your screen. All you have to do is first verify files to see the integrity of the files, see if there's any problem and if the application is running smoothly or not. After the verification is complete, you just want to close this out. Now the second method is right click on your desktop and then go to display settings. And then from here you want to scroll down and find graphics. Click on it and search for the app list and see if Fortnite is there or not. If there's not, you can just click on Add Desktop App right besides Add Microsoft Store App, and then select your drive, then go to Program Files, then go ahead and find Epic Games, click on Fortnite, go to Fortnite Games, and then Binaries, and then Win64. Now here you'll find the Fortnite launcher, so just click on it and then add it to your graphics. Once the app has been added, click on the drop down, and then here you'll see the option for GPU preference. Click on that drop down here, and then select the high performance. So if you have a graphics card, it will use it, and it will be used for high performance. Now, once you have done that, you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.